Alright guys, so we got this issue going on right now. I'll let you know. Basically we deal with this on a fucking day-to-day basis. And what I mean by that is we get a lot of customers with big ass fucking vacuum leaks. Now you guys think that we're fucking lying when we talk about this shit, but check this out. Car's running like fucking ass. You got some of this brake cleaner right here. Now check it out. What the fuck, man? Yeah, we deal with this all the fucking time. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it needs new O-rings or something. Fuck, I don't know. And we just installed this motherfucker with Napa. What you think, Napa? It's just fucked up. But it is what it is. This is one of the things that we end up finding out. Ortiz out.